Ceci Ramirez.
My name is Marco Ramirez.
At our previous home, we had a lot of black widows. We could immediately see the spider webs, and you could see the black widows going from one end to the other end. And my son had an incident about 10 years ago where he had a bite from a black widow, ended up in the hospital. I didn't want that occurring again. So I knew that we needed to take care of it. So calling Pro-Pacific was a priority. They were very flexible with their schedule and our schedule. They were willing to accommodate us.
Overall experience has been great. They're always willing to go the extra mile. If I, hey, can you do this? Can you do that? Can you add the eaves in the house? And they're always willing to help.
Having them come at a bi-monthly has worked out really well, and it's a service that we want to continue to have. It's important not to have spiders. It really is. It's a huge peace of mind for my son.
I don't have to worry about my little nieces coming and play here in my backyard. It just, yes, overall peace of mind, and I know they're safe. They can be safe in the backyard.
We have no spiders. I think the only time we have spiders is during Halloween, wherein I put up decorations. But other than that, we are pest free.
We have recommended Pro-Pacific to our neighbors.
My mother has.
To our families, right? So we're very, very happy with their service.